communicate projects successfully, we also need to create second perspectives, but it's important that they look perfectly alike and we do not change atmospheres nor styles. Pelicad makes this very simple. You can directly transfer one perspective to another perspective whilst keeping all changes equal and applying the same style. We show you now how to do that. In the first step, navigate back to the 3D scene by clicking the house in the upper left corner. Then, recreate a second perspective. We estimate the position, click Add View, and now fine-tune our position. We also slightly increase the field of view and make last small adjustments. Then we hit Start Creating. And in this step, we are now asked whether we want to start a new render or transfer one perspective to the new perspective. We choose Transfer from Existing and are now asked to select the original perspectives. We choose the perspective 1, submit our selection, double check, and then hit Submit. The AI now transfers automatically the first perspective to the second perspective. However, we carefully need to see whether all details match perfectly. For this example, for instance, looks well, but minor details on the left side of the building have been changed. Also in the third option, everything looks good, but details are off. The fourth option, however, is perfect. All environment details, the geometry of the building, as well as the atmosphere, are perfectly aligned with the first perspective. By submitting our selection, we finalize the step and have created a second perspective in less than 10 minutes